Been defending for quite some time. I think for the past 3 weeks, mula pa nung time na ng Disyembre. I think by Monday matatapos yung interpellations, debates, and amendments, period of amendments. So yun yung tingin ko at nakikita ko, no, sa mahirap mang aminin na veteran legislator here in the Senate. I think itong week na papasok would be the last week of interpellations, debates, and period of amendments. So hopefully before I'm looking at before the break, mapasa namin to at least on second reading.
Any other contentious issues, sir, sa Meralco na sinabi sa inyo ng kapwa senador na itatanong pa nila or ihingin pa nila from Meralco?
May ilan na hiningi na, and like Senator Gatchalian and Senator Jinggoy, if they are already satisfied with the submission of these information, documents, etc., then according to them, they will no longer interpellate. Some members already indicated that they will no longer interpellate, but more of they will introduce amendments. With regard to major issues na parang maghaharang or anything, wala akong nakikita. Kasi alam din naman ng mga colleagues natin how important this measure will be if we pass it immediately. Mayroong security concerns din dito, no, na kailangan nating maintindihan. At higit sa lahat yung interruption, di natin pwedeng ma-interrupt tong serbisyo ng Meralco to 8 million consumers.
So hanggang bago mag-break, hanggang second reading lang, sir, yung kaya?
Well, the more the farther we get, the better, no, as far as I'm concerned, being the sponsor of the measure. But conservatively speaking, matapos on second reading, hopefully by next week, actually. That's what I'm shooting for.
Yung balik nyo na, sir, sa May or June?
Pwede naman. Botohan na lang.
So yung pinakamalaking hiningi lang talaga, sir, ng senators is yung sa rate, and nabigay na yun, sir?
Rates, yung creeping, yung probable conflict of interest sa generation. So yun, all of that. Yun yung mga tinakel. And I think ang pinaka naging core is yung complaints, refunds, papaanong kasi I myself was also concerned about it. Yung mataas na rates, yung papaano mag-refund, yung Supreme Court made the decision, yung mga decisions din ng court, nag-comply ba sila? And they are complying. They complied and they are complying. Yung they are complying, in a sense, kaya ako sinabing they are complying because hindi pa tapos dahil, yun nga, hindi pa nakikita rin yung ibang mga pagre-refunda nila. And that is cheat yung tawag na mag-create ng account for the government, dun ilalagay yung pondo.